gripped up. Car gripped up on me. Handbrake no good. Okay. Handbrake no work. Keep running out of wheel speed. I need to have my limiter edit to where it just bangs the limiter instead of dropping power. Wrong gear. Wrong gear. Nice, got it that time. All right, one more try. I need to edit my handbrake, not edit, but tighten up the handbrake. Messed up. So we'll try first gear. Alright, so I definitely got to tighten up the handbrake and get some suspension mods to keep the car from wheel hopping. It's wheel hopping very, very bad, making it very difficult to control.